luak me kumalma Uganda luani Oriema Robinson Ogeri incoming MP ba degela yibi 2026 Jolmot actuel mati kumalma Uganda mogo mati Ulaya ki vote ping kama pari oweng loken ma pier tek miro o botu abiu tin ki lok ma pier tek chabiet achiel ariyo mokarangech atit wu pe yup papate NRM manyomiro bere ba ka underground ichi ariyo ene mokar bena bie wa wachi lok mu ber kan lokela penga peng yupi enone ki bi postponing ho ti do por ka doga ki postponing ho piani jimu ber ka timela peng la peng negotiations metimo jimmy manyo perwate manyo matoro chiek papate oberga wala penga peng bien que lo ki la dit le tourmoy chia mané pate NRM Guru City ne munu cha yopo yop makon honorable Mapenduzi gen honorable akol ki pere ye ka yob montier mi robetie manyo ki bi unveiling gen ki nyuru ki bo structure dok be ki unveiling gen chalo party flag bearers for their respective constituencies menu ba degela yibi ki Clark North ci agulu piu ci ardio taj pa meta kore comme chairman lo to moy ki executive ma mege eta ngeni tela pe yot cha mu kene vuora bertie ci dong diang ye luch kene kien dong uchi arbuye kombeti madong watika kuoro en yup eno ma ki postponing e piendong ki mogo ni beberu ichi ambichiel mabiono ene niando apa wi ario chi ambichiel madire ni karo kadong chani beru en damiel wechu e remarkable strides oberu tie ene ni chiente do nonge kombeti ma logo ni Mia Beach magi penyo ki bolla dir logo ni o karo kombe di ma logo ni o mien la dir bene o mien maramo mia de kombe di ma logo ni la rema general o mien maramo mia Pierre Beach kombe di ma logo ni speaker me parliament o mien mich mukene in kind jalo ten gige kom gini kidong chiame ma chiero wai wel me million mia bichiel manyuti in total chiente me yob me chia bichieli tie maromo billion achiel ki ale mia bich da mero kwa jokar mano waja kilo pata NRM ane ma won kom lo to mo be radio roping dano go team go pena pen matego da kunyo frustration ma megge e com process matiga time ki suspicions ma megge ana lego ni mano mir wadi yu chuni lwa bien is an opportunity yen bere men non for taxpayers money wati mu be wa bion ki pere terra ko ni wen chia bi chiele ba ka wunda kila NRM mo ki ken wa ki ngam ma pe twa ko NRM bien ka chwa ka el ni dano weng o be chamo cham dano weng o be no allowance dok dano weng o be nema ki wangi ngoma tika time party ma meggi oh the party is being hijacked bien ko men mo logo ni the party is being held captive NRM is in captivity bien ka de na jo matika mi ground rule ki dar matika dor yo party precisely they don't have any obligation your mandate meeting ogene anoni yanda dongi tika temone chitimbe da lego ni mon dano mi sharing video en romping o weng wa ilep ngech wa kwere ko ba chiat kanage ko wa piet gi ki won moti city kila NRM achiel o tembe o bire chambi chele baka unda kibere jomane magiti atamo nyoni pian chwin giti ka chwe ke chao magiti ka nyutu Mapinduzi no mir gen ki wo ge echoing eni ana no ni machal na tela matika biro erone is not right bien ke nano ko ni chalo gwak dana chalo gerge na yopi yu wa beru kam bien eni is just an event which does not graduate into a working document ci ana lego ne gen eno mir won po team dok ben po nyut chwe chwinwo eni eno ni pega chiel ma la diet ma meg wajero te gatin mone en pon yang pingonyo down luo en bi chunyi ba de la yibi down luo en pian down no dong o ruenyu gen no ki kom la même pas la meno jar ma Mapinduzi so ki luo jero me biro peni general tech but ki tiga meto Mapinduzi out we are opting out of the contest. I don't think I'm yet to Mapinduzi. Think I know a lukewarm reception. Kiribet seniors, my mega, think I engaging and please deliver him. But you cannot deliver. Give man not take a bill of political weight. We are now down to a gem or any. Pin down, but take a penula pen money. General Iberka worry by the Ibica and war ping away theatre, what right, Paujara, left, right, center, a law one year. Today, Chabira death, my give you warning on my bear, my anotimo. My well in a way don't give bully a queen. La pen and only a mere general microphone, cow got me what. Pian Carl can not take him on, team man. E Chabira deck, Madame Pet lawyer, ye yango. So, can she won't be looking at you. Don't look me actually sabri jono wang motika winya kombeti wa tieki gimoma right manyo mi report me. Any numero ikin facilitation enoni balalo go kwanyo chiente maromo million mia ngwen me facilitating bana yok me champion. Kon arrangement ki balalo tieni tak Mapinduzi which are the parliament ni tap speaker me opportunity we again go passing a private members bill can acting on the law ma balalo be do a tribe e actually sub region lutua en kerika benyo de dego gere chi kong dok in a win message ne no ni menu balalo legalizing Beduge actually can get a tribe and they recognize among the 59 indigenous communities. Balalo dog the 60th kono get here based actually sub region. And the capet to watch winnie Chicar can la job. Do amir leko ni actually moy ken metika winya eni belwen pa ba de la yibi ken eni belwen ba ogeri ken eni lwen ba wan wen am just a sacrificial lamb ane da ye tingu bandera ene kuya etiket gum kuya eti la mo kuya eti o mi anyima kuya eti agoro kuya eti yo moro kuya eti ya moro a chonya eni lit loe mo ti mekero e karpa mim dagada o jarka initiare temo lo ni balalo miro bed one of the indigenous communities actually si do ngati ka par koñ yan kere wa koñ ben kay magi wachi rachi pe o ti actually kiten we are miro like when I'm inviting all the actualists from all walks of life. Let us join this fight. It's going to be a fight between majority actually, Kimanok Matika Chat actually, it's going to be a fight between Jomaperomo Chulo, Chukul fees, Kijo Malote and Getika Kwan, Egayaza Nama Gunga Ki International Schools. It's going to be a fight between Monto, Magitika Goy God. Mechul le tiang kwan ma meggi ki jo matika ngal lu muchara million piara rio piara de dok de malo pege par pichan palo perro. It's going to be a fight ki jo malo tiano gi ki kwanyo ki cher ki kere tij madong wala bon tim interview versus jo magu tiego kwan from the various universities comme ki tiyo mwaka dera ngwen gang ma pay pagiti gi mama tima chia lego ni waribu chingwa ma ben ka the electoral commission da to yabo window mo ma ye wen mo mi lock your voter location dan wen bi no reba de la yibi jale donc comme ta yogo tere o kichi ma ka peki kwalo kui abe goyo o ba ngi donc comme de ma ana logo ni kirida nga mo wachi biem e bere nge jale ko no ante yung kan den an wakti nge with less than 2 billion shillings baby raro gere te ngena boli do your research Ogere is now a brand maka guak nge bere kana ngala nge ni ko merdong o do chwa mien lueng mama pa otum ma 2026 is going to be decisive. We are going to set the record straight ne actually do all wa all ki lonya chonya wa all ki tija bal kari wa all ki tij man mekele walo tela ke imposing e comme one to amir foero NRM mago petitioning Secretary General Right Honorable Richard Todwong e lo kom yob matini anda pa wi ario matie chi ambitiele baka wondani yana no report the Secretary General wajoni keri ka peke be jogo yob enoni. The good thing is not legally binding. It has not been summoned by an organ of the party. So Secretary General tika yop mo kane mayano biaroni bebertien and the PRO ki wiye according to his conversation ki jo mago petitioning any. We are enemy another ground rule of how this NRM primary elections is going to be held while observing the key principles of the party constitution. These are the straightforward leadership we should expect from a person of the caliber of the Right Honorable Richard Todwong. Donc, I have a gikone da anuayoni, wa chua ke won ki pere terra ni weng ni na chiel ki ken ki di wa chiel pe ko de. Wa biro re ba ka wunda I rwa mala mal pen an ma chala ano gere yob dom tie ni plain cloth onyo yo mani cha ma security man ma pe ge ro uniform Melgo yenya ampa oeba ki chia mera oni kwich ka neno lubao ye a building security chi obonena ero ko na pe do nena unge ngen menyo an non jon go gama ko makwo chala ti kwero mo chi ere wen wan were chingi piani teko paluak onyo power paluak tek loyo pa jomane magite meni gien gitiki ker piani ya chuli kan kala tian pala chan mo tika biu imer ki dong leme ki dwa pa ngom ki dong leme ki dwa ka ngom wa do bul pere pa we ki nyota yaro wange wa be nyuru ni we ki nyota pa obe twero ngini ka gu choke wa bini ba Caribbean. All the radio stations, please spread this message. We are down where actually sub region we're witnessing the injustice, the mockery matika bino in the NRM party. Donc in meti kid gumitila moiti agago o chaka ke gulo bi o wa botu bien any mission madong is well crafted make merno woto ko kware ke kware wa bupo ni meno wa pe wa kila titwer man manok manyo wa donkere nyurni kape wa defending kini eni oki ba degela yibi is going to spread all over Uganda chi okonya wa be kero ribit we gini pe ko diero charanyim all the radio stations, all the disco halls around town, all the MCs and DJs were well message no chat viral. Ni actually go be back wonda chi ambition kon di binu ka moko cha den ni constitution pa NRM ki bitoro ki bitemo nyuto jara kama leng ento teko paluak onyo power paluak ini be ner kra dano be jemo kere ibi ner kra dano be ngumo kere ini be neno the worst that will come out of Dharma Komergiti wounded Magenoni Tuer Mamegi Kitika Chungere. When I'm then we are in the contest and we are going all the way, regardless of a Korma Wabikaru we Wanga Damascus or Cher Yunkuja. Utime Karmu Karangage, Pao Chakatin, Kaunan Moreka Wempe or Mutime, Keribet ki bion ki wugo moñ mamba tanka buffalo ingeye dano go triumph obi team me bene ba degela yibi ni lo member me party NRM gibo mogo chaden ni enough is enough kong don ki wego gero chiari la joke kong do we yo afo et twal me winyo loka yo tiano matin alegro wala chwejo gwoku ni o dong wan yam la chen kada ko be dugi platform men man ne man way poke wu lok manyo pier tek manyo miru nge in yam macharo kidman luano Riama Robinson Ogeri, the undisputed, the unstoppable, but most importantly the incoming MP Badegela Yibi. One love.